I've never built a chatbot faster than what I have with Landbot. Hi, I'm Adam Benz. I'm the CEO of Lead Laundry. So Lead Laundry is a performance marketing agency based on the Gold Coast in Australia. So we tend to work with e-commerce businesses and service-based industries like property or finance. We generate leads at scale, so we tend to look at performance-based campaigns, ad campaigns, etc., and generate marketing qualified leads for their sales and marketing teams. The challenge we were trying to solve before Landbot was to pre-qualify leads before they went to the client by uncovering all of the fact-finding questions prior to the sales team receiving them. That's why we started implementing web-based chatbots with Landbot, and Landbot stood out from the other options because we typically weren't able to capture the lead data off platform, meaning we weren't reliant on changes to terms from Facebook or ManyChat or Chatfuel. Plus, the design capability of Landbot meant we could effectively white label the funnel for the clients with their branding and domain for added trust. The solution involved having a conversational experience on our clients' websites, so we could not only capture the leads but also score them real time based on responses. So this is the bot that we have on our website, and it allows marketers and business owners to benchmark their marketing in the business by using a series of questions, lead scoring, and conditional logic. So once the lead completes the bot, we take the data from the bot. We then turn that into a Google Slides presentation and inject the data into the slide template from Landbot, and then that creates a PDF report that we then send to the client. So we really need to understand what are the questions that you would need to ask to determine that a prospect is your ideal fit. And then if we can somewhat gamify that process by turning that into a scoring system or apply some other conditional logic in the back of the bot, that's where we tend to get the most wins. In terms of results, we've seen an increase in lead conversion rates by about 35%. So the Landbot solution allowed us to generate a consistent cost per lead with a higher qualification process, meaning that their conversion rate was a lot higher at the end, so that increased their ROI overall. We found that typically implementing a longer tail marketing qualification process would increase the lead quality by upwards of 50%. So with one of our clients who we've been working with for quite a number of years, we've actually been able to build their managed fund, which at this point is worth over 100 million Australian dollars, purely on the back of leads through Landbot. For any other agencies out there that focus on lead generation, I would highly suggest testing Landbot for your client campaigns. I've never built a chatbot faster than what I have with Landbot.